We're absolutely the best service company nationwide.
We have the #1 lines in the world, not just because they're #1 lines, but because they are so good.
We provide the overall solution. We have the best product out there. It may not always be the least expensive, but it is the best product.
In the lines we represent, we are the world's leading distributor of commercial laundry and dry cleaning equipment.
If you don't have a sales team that's totally committed to the product and to the customer's expectations, then you don't have anything.
When it comes to handling the customer's need, I can sleep at night knowing that we've done everything right and taken care of that customer in a manner that no other company can match.
Hey, Brian.
Hey, Dave. Nice to see you. All right, man. Nice to see you.
The customer experience needs to be what I call a one-stop solution.
Tri-State TLC, this is Bobby. How may I direct your call?
They need to know when they pick up that phone or when they email or they get a hold of Tri-State in any fashion that they're going to be an important part of Tri-State. Tri-State considers every customer important.
That's a commitment.
Customer service is probably the most important aspect of our business. We need to meet the customer's needs. Downtime is so critical to a customer in this business.
We process between 5 and 6 million pounds of linen a year. Equipment for us is vital. Keeping it maintained and running is one of the most important assets of this business. TLC, Milner, Chicago, they're very reputable businesses. They keep us going.
If an order hits our desk, we get it out the same day that order comes in.
And their relationship with us is one of the most important relationships I have in this business.
We can have those parts to that customer the same day if they require it, or next day service.
The parts availability from Milner and Air Chicago, very important. We can get anything to us in a one-day or next day delivery. And TLC can normally get me going until those parts get here.
We do have those belts in stock. I can get them to you tomorrow morning. I can do UPS early AM and you can have them tomorrow morning.
We've used them for everything from our flat work ironers to our complete tunnel system. And from the install all the way through just a regular general maintenance or a service, they've been there, they've been involved, whether they're actually performing it or we're doing it. They're either hands-on or they're on the phone telling us what we need to do.
We offer a lot more than just equipment. I can go in and design the plant, select the equipment, deliver the equipment, do the installation, do the follow-up. We can do everything from start to finish, not just sell equipment. It's a whole package that we can offer, virtually a turnkey operation.
The salesman does not just sell the equipment and then walk away. They can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Morning, Parts Department.
They are provided a quick contact list. We provide same-day, next-day service, planned maintenance agreements, continued education, training of their employees, custom manuals.
The client and the architect come to us because of our depth of experience. And I can take this back now to the client, and I'm sure he's going to be very happy because we've condensed it into the smallest footprint possibly to get the most amount of linen out from a given floor area. We can come in and work with the general contractor, provide plans for the general contractor. And then, of course, once the equipment is delivered and set in place, we provide all the rigging for that particular function. We then come in and do the final assembly with our trained service technician. And then, of course, we provide startup.
I don't believe anyone else in the industry has a ratio of 50% of their employees are dedicated full-time employees dedicated strictly to service. So we provide a lot more than just getting the equipment out the door and getting the sale. If you have a problem, we can get there pretty quick.
I can get them out there first thing in the morning. How about that?
We want to get things right, and we want our technicians to get things right. We want our customers to be satisfied.
Hey Jay, it's Cheryl. I've got a call for you first thing in the morning.
In doing that, we've created a position of quality assurance manager. This is a part that came back from one of our customers. One of our technicians ordered it to go out and do a repair, and he got there and found out that we had a little issue with this, that it didn't have any keyway slots. So obviously pulleys aren't going to work on here, the cylinder's not going to work on here. This is what we talk about with QA, and this is the kind of thing that that I partner with the factories on to go back and understand how it happened, why it happened, and make sure it doesn't happen again. Right. We're the only distributorship in the country that has this position, that has taken the time, the money, and the personnel necessary to do this, to make us a better company for our customers.
Our Tri-State TLC technicians are the finest in the industry. They are factory trained. We continue educating our technicians through developmental programs, through factory schools, so we stay on the cutting edge of all the latest, greatest technology.
We're here to serve the customer because customer service is our business.
We will not bend on dependability or quality.
That's the number one.